Hey, it's me, Pirate Wiz. Before I start, I just want to thank BAKUHN7. I think it's pronounced Bakun. Lol. Anyway, for the lock he's sending me. Bruno2260 for another lock he's sending me. I've sent you guys your locks, so don't worry. And Slim Pickings for the bump keys he's sending me, which I haven't got yet, but you know, around Christmas the postal thing stuff's up anyway. Just be using my my hook pick, homemade, of a hacksaw blade, and my flexi tension wrench, I think it's called. Yeah, homemade as well. Do it again. Locked. Thanks for watching.